fears Arishta. Some time later, Kansa again sent an evil demon, Arishta, to Vrindavan to kill Lord Krishna. "I will kill you, Krishna. Consider me your deliverer," the vile bull demon thought as he entered Vrindavan. Arishta's eyes glowed with angry red light, with his mighty hooves thudded on the floor as he charged ahead. The demon was so large that he seemed to block out the sun. It was impossible to climb on him because of his huge size. He moved with such speed that he could be in two different places in no time at all. Such negative energy came from him that all the birds and animals fell silent as they saw the evil demon. Arishta moved his massive head as he combed through the crowds looking for Lord Krishna. The people of Vrindavan saw the bull demon and shouted in fear, "A mighty evil demon with his ugly fiendish ways is attacking us. Help us, Lord Krishna." Lord Krishna slays Arishta. As Arishta looked around for Lord Krishna, he came and stood a little away from him. Arishta glared at Lord Krishna. "So, you have shown yourself at last," taunted the evil demon. "I am so powerful that I have killed not only calves but also mighty sages. Do you think you are a match for me?" Lord Krishna smiled calmly as he saw the bull-shaped demon ready to attack. Just then, Lord Krishna clapped his hands. Hearing this, the bull demon became angry and ran with horns lowered towards Lord Krishna. As the bull demon neared him, Lord Krishna tore one of his horns and slashed Arishta with it. Then Lord Krishna hit Arishta with a deadly blow. The bull demon lay dead at Lord Krishna's feet. The people of Vrindavan cheered loudly when they saw this. Their joy knew no bounds as they worshipped and praised Lord Krishna. Narad stirs trouble. Narad, the mischievous celestial sage, had been watching the events at Vrindavan with interest for some time now. He was a troublemaker who would often spread stories and tell tales to create problems where there was none. How I would love to tease Kansa with the latest exploits of Lord Krishna. If I do so, it will surely enrage evil Kansa and lead to some trouble, thought Narad gleefully. "Alak Niranjan!" Narad called out his greeting as he reached Kansa's palace. He then narrated Lord Krishna's exploits before evil Kansa. "Narad, you have opened my eyes. Krishna and Balram are more dangerous than I had thought. I must kill both of them before they become adults," said Kansa. The evil demon ruler started plotting how to kill Lord Krishna and Balram. He knew that he must destroy them or lose his life. After so many warnings from all, Kansa's nerves were frayed as he feared his end at the hands of Lord Krishna. Chanura and Mushtika. Fueled by Narad's instigation, Kansa got worried day and night. How can I destroy Krishna and Balram? One day he finally thought of a plan. "Guards, summon the strong wrestlers, Chanura and Mushtika, before me," thundered evil Kansa as he sat on his throne. When the two wrestlers arrived, they fell at his feet to greet him. Both the wrestlers were so tall that even the most massive pillars of the palace looked dwarf-like next to them. Their arms were so strong and sinewy that rocks could be crushed into fine powder by them. "How may we serve you, King Kansa?" queried the two wrestlers in unison. "Kill Krishna and Balram in a wrestling match," ordered evil Kansa. He then explained the plan to them. The two wrestlers prepared to kill Lord Krishna and Balram. They were unaware that they were about to meet with their own end instead. Kansa lays the trap. Kansa arranged for a yajna, fire ceremony, where offerings would be made to the fire god. On this occasion, he planned to hold a wrestling match between Krishna, Balram, and the two wrestlers. Kansa sent his associate Akrura to bring Krishna and Balram to Mathura. "This will not be enough to destroy them. I must make other plans," thought evil Kansa. So he sent an Asura demon called Keshi to destroy the two brothers in Vrindavan itself. Alongside, he planned to release a huge elephant called Kubala ya Pida in the arena. If one plan does not succeed, another will. Now I have nothing to fear about. If Keshi does not manage to kill them, surely Chandra and Mushtika will. Failing that, elephant Kubalaya Pida will kill them. I am safe. Foolish Kansa did not know that his end was near.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.